wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Hi, and welcome back to another video from yours truly, Miss Lady Lori. Sorry guys, that other video, I mean, it was great. I mean, it was fantastic because we announced a couple of winners and I showed you the subscription from March from ZC, you know, the ZC Cosmetics. But y'all know, listen, I had to go ahead and set my under eyes because we're just going to do that real quick and brighten it up a little. I am using the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette, the one that is in a giveaway that ends on the 9th, this upcoming Saturday. So, you know the video that you guys watched on Monday that nobody paid attention to, except for a handful? I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say. All right. I wanted to let you guys know I received some absolutely wonderful, it's friend mail, that came to me from the wonderful, kind, and generous, and very thoughtful Susan from Susan's Just Making It. Cute little stickers. I'm going to let you guys know something. She made this. She made this beautiful card. Now, I had forgot all of a sudden that inside it's all kinds of stickers. So I didn't want to lose those. But this was made by her. And it has her little sticker that says "Home handmade with love, just for you." So she puts those on her little cards when she makes them. This is the stuff that warms your heart. When somebody, you know what I mean? When they take their time to do this and send it to you. That's all I'm going to say. It's like getting a big old huge hug. So Susan, I just want to let you know how grateful I am for you and how thankful I am for this card and the little stickers. They might end up on little journeys to the next individual and into a giveaway. Because I was looking at them, I said, oh, you know what? A couple of those, they just might have to just take a trip. They're going to like just go, they're going to go from the West Coast and who knows where they might end up. But you know what? They're going to have a lot of fun on their journey. I just wanted to let you guys know. I wanted to share that with you. It's a little friend mail. Okay. What are we doing next? Let's get on with this, okay, you guys? This is my paper box. This one is personalized, as you can tell. This one is for April 2022. This is the grand box. How much is it? I can't remember. I always forget. Don't ask me why. I think it's $30 a month. It might be. I think it's 30. But the amounts or the description of it is going to be right there. It says, soar up high with the beauty and grace of a butterfly. Hi, Lady Lori. This box was made just for you. Hi, Lady Lori. Thank you so much for your support. It's like they got Lady Lori all over the other. I can't show you the other side because my address is there, but it's like stickers. It just says Lady Lori, Lady Lori. Oh, okay, Lady Lori. It just, I mean, seriously, your next box could be free, Lady Lori. Tag, you know, I mean, okay. So there's Lady Lori everywhere. I'm loving the butterfly. Of course, you do get your really nice, pretty lengthy catalog. However, when I said, you know what, why are they wasting so much paper? What's inside this catalog is very useful. There's a lot of information in there. I mean, this one has how coloring can benefit your health. Oh my God, yes. Guys, adult coloring. I have a backpack that has so many colored pencils of all different kinds and those really thick, you know, the adult coloring books. That's me. And the boxes that go, the color, you know, the pencils go in. Oh yeah. Yep, that's me. When we travel, before COVID hit, I was coloring. And I would color until I finally just said, okay, I'm done. But you know what I mean? Like this. Watch. Because it's in here. This type of... April, what's inside? How coloring can benefit your health? Which pet is right for you? An administrative gift guide picked by Jen. Edition number 43. That's 43 boxes they've sent out. No, not to me. This is only my third. So, and then the safari box, the one that had the elephant, the giraffe, and the lion, that was just a box all in itself that you can purchase yourself if it's still in stock. This is what it looks like when you get it. Really pretty tissue paper, and then it has my personalized. It's a personalized little sticker. Nothing I can do with it. You know, I tear it once I open it up. It says, "Hi, Lady Lori. I've been waiting for you." So see, and then it's gone. But it's cute to see your name. You know what I mean? You know, you put your channel name there. And by the way, I ordered this because I saw it on Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. So thanks a lot, Erica and Sherry. I hope you're doing well, honey. And I hope you're either home or coming home soon. We love you. We miss you. I think Erica needs a vacation. Okay. What do we have in here? Oh my gosh. Yes, there are butterflies. There are butterflies, you guys. This is a card. How can you tell? Well, because it has an envelope. Such a matching envelope. And usually they don't have anything in them. Oh, hello. You give me butterflies. Love, Lady Laura. I'll be damned. I'll be darned. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That's cute, right? Maybe I'm used to the cards that I have. Yeah, the big old box that I have, those are empty. So I get to write whatever I want. Some of them are pre-written, but I kind of like to write my own. I like the blank ones. Helps me to get my creative thoughts down on paper. It also comes with this. Wait a minute, what happened to this? Oh, there's March. Okay, so March has to come down and April has to go up. And then on the other side are all the little days, the holidays that have to do with April. April Fool's Day. I think Earth Day is here. It is the 12th or 13th, maybe. I know Earth Day, April 22nd. And that's for the US. So it has all the little different holidays here. I wonder if it has another make your own holiday. Name yourself day. Seriously, really? Okay. All right. Never mind. It's taking too long. You know, you guys get a kick out of this. And seriously, I watch as I'm editing these videos, and I watch Sassy. I laugh just as much as you guys do. I make messes. I know better than to eat or drink when I'm watching them because I forget what's coming up next. She can crank through an unboxing so fast because it's like, yeah, done. And I just go, you know, I seriously want her to do the unboxings, but I don't want her to mess up the ones that are important to me, which is why I do them. So you guys could still see my face too, because I mean, some of you guys said you like seeing me. I hope that's true. But anyway, you know what I mean? The important ones and the ones that I don't want to get messed up, I want to still have control over those. But when I go into Sassy character, oh my God, she cranks them out. And I'm like, talk about unboxing fast. She does not mess around. And I like that. Here we go from the desk of Lady Lori. Look at how cute. It's a pad of paper. You know, I really need to get to writing because I'm telling you guys right now, I am not even through the ones I've gotten so far. I gotta start doing something. I'm gonna end up having to buy one of those boxes that you organize these things in. I kind of have one going on right now, but it needs to be cuter. It needs a top on it. And another one. These are black and white, but it's got half of the butterfly. It has Lady Lori on it. It's lined. This one kind of matches. But I like the Lady Lori on it. It has the black and white. It is a notepad. It's not, yeah, this one's not lined. So this is just stick it by your phone. But it has the Lady Lori at the bottom. Just dawned on me. I see why they said color. That's why these are black and white. So I can doodle You know when you're thinking and your mind's going crazy, but you have your colored pencils? Oh yeah. Now I'm going to have to get those out. That one too. Okay, so those kind of match. Oh, see, I didn't open, I have not opened this up yet. I'm just letting you guys know. I have not opened this. Oh, goodness. Okay. Here's another card. That one is really cute. Oh, I want to see if it's got something written in it. I like the purple envelope. Blank. That is cute. Very cute. My sister, the oldest out of us four, would love these. She could write like crazy. I mean, she had the most amazing calligraphy talent. Oh, you know, writing in calligraphy. You guys look. Pack of 12 colored pencils. Wood-free, nature-friendly, pre-sharpened, blendable colors, certified non-toxic. Conforms to ASTM D4236. I have no idea what the hell that is, but whatever it is, that's nice, right? Okay, unless one of us figures it out. One of you teachers? Okay, it looks like we got some stickers. Lots of stickers. Like a bag full of stickers. We love stickers. That's the end of the box, you guys. This is it. Color Me postcards and sticker sheets. Okay. Okay. Oh, color me stickers. And oh, how cute. Okay, look. And on the back, they are they're all postcards, but I mean, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Are they all the same? The same? These two are the same. They're postcards. Well, I mean, it says postcards and sticker sheets, but come on, you guys. Just cut me some slack. I read it. I did. Just doesn't mean that it automatically registered. And then these are the stickers. So they're dual of each. It has two sheets of them. Here's the one. I'll just show you one. You are free to fly. The end is not the... Oh, there you go. The end is not the end. I like that. They're cute. The butterflies. They're cute. I like it. You know, this is not a bad box when you get it personalized and you get that much stuff. It is becoming a little bit much for me. I love all the stuff in it. I can't give certain things away because it does have my name on it. I do use the notepads when I'm writing cards to somebody, or a thank you gift card that's inside one of the giveaway packages and such and so forth. You know, I might say, hey, by the way, this one item that's in there is for this, or here's a tip on this specific thing. But other than that, the things that don't have my name on them, I could probably gift to somebody. But having that much stuff with your name on it, as awesome as it is, can become overwhelming. If you agree with me, let me know down below. All right, you guys, thanks for sitting down with me, letting me spend a little bit of time sharing my paper box with you. And I think that's it. Yeah, I mean, there's like stuff all over my desk right here. So, and I think I got everything that I needed to get out of the way, and you guys know what you got to do. Go back to the beginning of the video. I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep.